Hey guys, go to YouTube. So I'm in here, and I thought you'd really get a kick out of this picture here of our commander in chief. White House tweets picture of Obama with scary gun for Father's Day. Look at this here. Now, if my child would have took this to school, now look at this. Got extended mag. He's got his finger on the trigger, and look. I guess that's Michelle over there. Shooting at him. I guess she's into the fun. If my child would have took this gun to school, this is pretty much West. What do you think? Called on Tech 9ish looking. If my child would have took this to school, he would have been suspended. We'd have to have meetings and everything else, and cops might even come. So it's a little hypocritical, just glorifying the guns, and look, he's doing the exact same thing, shooting each other, showing how fun it is to shoot each other. Being a little funny because I got little water guns, little cheapos, but yeah. And there's also they used something about Black Waffle. Oh, here's the actual tweet here. Hope all the dads out there having a great Father's Day weekend. While there's nobody there who said, hey, maybe you shouldn't have been shooting the stuff that you're trying to ban every 2 seconds. But there's different rules. There's rules for them. But if my little girl would have taken this to school, I would have had to go, to the office and was spend it. And he's got some Black Rifle AR-15 shot here. Jared, talking about how hypocritical somebody can wear a T-shirt and get fined and almost go to up to a year in jail. But yeah, I'll put the link below. It's just, it's so funny. It's stupid. All right, guys. Good. Now come on.
Knuckle Bomb.